Seventh pre-competitive skill test. He ruled, allocation and utilization of development funds through pick and choose is in direct conflict with the equality clause under Article 25 of the Constitution. Therefore, discrimination grant of development funds in an area or constituency where the ruling party won elections is declared unconstitutional. Full stop. The judge said the purpose for appointment of an administrator is to ensure continuity of public service only by performing functions to carry out the decision already made by the defunct. Full stop. But still a painful tragedy is being used for political purposes. Full stop. In response to criticism imposed against the PTI chief or his government policies, the former premier said, ask me questions about the period when I was in power. Full stop. New paragraph. I cannot be held responsible for things happening when I am out of power. Full stop. At the kind of caretakers imposed who are supposed to be neutral are not only biased against the PTI but also they are trying to crush it. Full stop. After the coldness of the winter months, the lovely days of April, May and January call to us and ask us to go out and see the beautiful countryside. Full stop. During the long winter, the countryside has been resting and waiting for the warmth of summer to make it colorful once more. Full stop. Some people feel that the countryside is more beautiful in the cold days of winter than it is in heat of summer. Full stop. New paragraph. When the leaves have fallen, the view is wider, details show up more clearly and the rivers are full. Full stop. These are plain facts, of course, but the truth is that most of us like the countryside of summer more than that of the winter. Full stop. The party's Karachi chief held at a hurriedly called press conference at its headquarters in the city and warned of sieging polling stations where he said results are deliberately being delayed to manage things. Full stop. With this complaint, I personally contacted a senior member of the Sindh government who assured a smooth process and announcement of results. Full stop. Sindh Information Minister accused the opposition party of committing the worst form of terrorism amid the local government elections. Full stop.